I wanted to share a bit of a oops moment, if you will, in the world of photography.
Well, that got cut short because I ended up stepping in a yellow jacket nest and got stung a handful of times. Shoot, they still out here. And I've got a fire safety.
Previously on TWiT. Windows Weekly
essentially found out from multiple sources at this point that Microsoft is moving away from its annual sort of major release of Windows and is moving to a major release every 3 years with feature drops in between. Now, they call the feature drops moments.
MacBreak Weekly.
You forget, if you've been living on an M1 MacBook Air for a while, how slow in comparison those Intel MacBook Airs were. M2 is faster than M1, there's no doubt about it. And having MagSafe come back, having that extra port now.
This Week in Google.
At Google I/O, if you remember, Google was talking about kind of the next iteration of AR glasses that Google is working on, going to put out at some point. But apparently they're going to start beta testing these suckers, I think, next month, starting in August.
Because they learned the lesson with glass that if you give it to just everyday, ordinary schmucks like me, we're going to end up making fun of it, and it's not really going to work. So they realized that the real use of it was for tradespeople and doctors and so on and so forth.
Mr. Jarvis, as someone that has their own theme song, you're not an everyday person, my man.
TWiT.
I wasn't
Definitely not a schmuck.